How you doing, my internet buddies? So today we're gonna cover an ad strategy that makes me 8.4 thousand euros per day. For all of you who are like, brother, you talking about brother something that I can't see. So here is the proof, okay? I didn't put like Stripe into the account, so because these are incoming from Stripe, which didn't make sales that day. So here you can see how last 5 days, you can check it, do it, whatever you want, pause video, check it. So I am talking from actual experience, okay? So now let's get into the video. That's why you came here, so let's rock and roll. So the main first thing about any ad strategy, any paid ads, anything, okay, anything, is the goal is to drive sales and leads for the business. And it is also to get the most amount of customers, new clients, with the lowest cost possible. In most cases, this is in the direct world case, that's the goal, okay? Next, what is the biggest thing? Because I was writing this based on like understanding of what should be the biggest thing for you to share. The biggest thing is that you need to think about how can you be new, unique, different. Most likely at start, it's not gonna be that way, which is fine, and I'm also still working on this, and it's not like I'm so unique, new, different, but I'm working on it, I'm trying, and you should also try it. So, and a good idea is just basically look at other people in different industries, and then you can, do what they're doing in a different way, and that will be something crazy new in your industry. Great example. So here's something from my team, which we made, because we were like, guys, we're doing a lot of videos like this this guy showing on the ads. So let's try something else, right? If you haven't seen my ads, you're probably like, what the hell are you talking about, bro? So it's like, we tried something else. It's like, make your sales go bananas. It's like a monkey. And then it's like, we're going to build you a highly converting low ticket funnel and generate 100+ buyers guaranteed. Or we work for free until we do. That's our offer, okay? So let's go. Here's an example, right? So let's start. What do I think about image ads versus video ads? Both of them work. I would say play to your strengths initially and then try both. Image ads, much easier to create at a volume, and it's quicker to test. Video ads, typically if you want to do high production, like I do, typically high production. This is like, we have some high production ads, which you can maybe see after this YouTube video. So it's like, it's a little bit harder to do. It's like scripting, you need a camera, editing, what to edit, how to edit. So it's much harder. But you can actually do, I think, simple video ads with a phone, and it will be quick, easy. It's not like hard. You can do it in one, like, you just need to set aside a time and just do it, okay? Next tip, before you launch ads, I want you to use the cool feature inside of the ads, which you can see here. Yes, I'm gonna actually show you stuff. So whenever you have your ad ready in the ad level, so you can click here to just see how it looks. And I would really recommend you to do so. Just look how it looks, and then you might decide, hey, I don't want to use all placements. I typically do not use all placements. So check the ads, how they look, and then you might decide which placements you would not like to run ads because they look shitty. Then the next thing you can, and I would recommend to try it, just see what happens. Use the advanced plus creatives, and here you can see what have you turned on for each specific ad. It's typically here visible, and here you can deselect, select. You can select some of them on, off. Again, in my experience, again, it's hard to say. Actually, I would say I have no clue does it work or not, but we turn it off sometimes or not. One thing I like what it does, it puts the headline or the first text above the image. Sometimes I like it. If you use something like I'm doing, which is, you can see here, so if you use something like this where you have a headline on top of the video, then I would probably not use it so often. And we have seen a great thing for ads is to add like a button. It's a cool thing you can see here. It like makes people click on that. And also for these video ads, which I'm running right now, I will show you something pretty cool. So here you can see something very interesting, which is the video average playtime. Typically for video ads, it's like 3 seconds, maybe even lower. So for these ads, which we have the headline and the button inside of them and cool animations and cool transitions, it's like 7+ seconds. We have some campaigns which we run for a longer time. They have like 10, 12 second, average second watch time basically. So it's crazy. So try to do that. Let's continue. So for video ads, very important to get attention ASAP. I have seen so many customers make the video ads before they start working with us, and it's like, hello, my name is Jonathan. I am currently looking for, it's like, what are you saying, man? It's like 3 seconds. You need to be to the point, what they're gonna get, what's the thing, or say a crazy claim, crazy offer, or talk about the problems, get their attention. Super important. Quick thing I would like you to do is ask yourself, what could I do to get more attention initially? What can I show to my audience that would make them move and take action? How can I tell something new, unique, different to my audience? This is the really important thing, really important. If you want your ads to stand out, you need to do this. Clear call to action, know what you are asking people to do. Also, I like to do this value plus entertainment, so I can make it a little bit fun, a little bit cool, memorable, and educational as well. I have no rules for the length, really. There's no rules. I have seen ads guys do like 15 minutes. It's like a video sales letter, full on, boom, 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 and it's great. And I have seen ads like 5 seconds, and they're great. It's like, depends everything on your offer. There's like no rules, I would say. But again, it should be worth watching, or it should be interesting enough to keep watching your potential audience, okay? And also, I see here a huge problem. So people send this to their friends, and their friends say, it's like, not interesting. Again, your friends are not your ideal customer or your ideal client. Send it to like 10, 20 existing customers and ask them, what do they think about the ad? That would be much better than asking a friend. Call out your ideal customer, still works. Do it in the first 5 seconds. Also do it in maybe the headline of the video ad or the image. Make it super clear who you are speaking to, because those people will be noticing it and reading it. At the end of the ad, add a countdown timer with the CTA. Let me show you an example. So here is an example how it looks, right? Boom, boom, boom. Like next. So here you can see it. See, this is like an end countdown timer. Sorry for my English. So here you can see it. So that's a real life example of how it works. I still do it on my phone, so do it also. With every next video, try to get better. Be cheerful, smile, open, direct. Try longer CTAs. I like to do this, like really, I like to do this like at the end, and like, why are you not clicking? What are you waiting for? And many people actually comment, and then when they come to a sales call, they're just like, mentioning it. So for retargeting, you should definitely use retargeting. And I like to do video testimonials or reels from customers, and those I am retargeting. Here's my Instagram basically, and you can see we have reviews just like these, and we are retargeting these reviews. Works really well. And these customers are basically saying we changed their life. It's amazing. So it's when we have hundreds of these, so we use that. You should make your service so good people actually leave reviews, so you can do that. Direct offers versus indirect offers. Direct offer, you know what you're selling. Indirect offer, the people do not know actually what you're selling. You're just giving something away for free. Also, people say a lead magnet. This is what we call them. So what I run, I kind of mix them. But if I was starting out and I want to reach my first 10, 50, maybe 100K a month for the first time, I would just do a direct offer and try to make that really good, because I have seen that to get the same cost per lead, like if it's good, similar to like, hey, grab my PDF, and the lead quality is like 10 times worse for these PDF stuff, or for like an ad that says exactly what you do and gets people to sign up for that thing what you actually do, which they actually are like, hey, I'm kind of interested, hey, let's talk. So much better. Again, what you should focus on ads to make more money, it's improve your offer first of all, then the campaigns, then ads, and continuously make new ads. And here I wrote how many new ads. So if you're spending less than $1,000 a month, new ads every month. It's okay. I wouldn't push it, because I have seen people say make ads every week. but you spending like 50, 20 euros a day or $50 a day. It's like bullshit. You're not even, you know, like these advice comes from people who are like spending 10, 50, 100K per month on ads, and then it makes sense, right? So here's a logical, more practical way, in my opinion, to look at it. Of course, if you make ads more frequently, you'll just get better at it. It's the same, you know, it's a skill. It's a different story, okay? What you should look at based on data: cost per new customer. That's the number one data. Cost per meeting. And then what to improve: first of all, the offer, then the ads, and only then the funnel. If you send them to a funnel, there are still strategies where you don't use a funnel to get the same similar results. But if you use a funnel, then this will be the idea. So the offer, the ads, the funnel, okay? You want our help? I'm gonna give you something in exchange. So if you check below this video, we're adding how to launch, manage, and add and scale meta ads like a pro. It's like a 20-page document going in way more detail than in this video. So if you want to grab this below the video, you can actually grab it. Or you would like our help to scale, grow, and make more money and get more customers online, we do services, we provide consulting, and we also have a software that will help you with your leads. So if this is interesting, you probably can see in a book a call link, so just do that. And hope to see you very soon. Stay sharp, make a move, bam!